Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. We're in beautiful Treasure Beach. Look at the sea. So beautiful. Sea kind of rough still, but I mean the place is beautiful and serene. Hubby over there catching fire. Cause guess what? We are gonna cook. We are going to be cooking on the beach today. But we also have fish that we're gonna cook, and we're also going to be baking banana bread. Yes, guys. All right. Let me see how it go there. Bring ice. We have the pots. Pre-cut the cabbage to make veggies, and he's trying to catch the fire right now. Trying to make the fire. But it's pretty windy. Next time we're gonna carry some either ply or some zinc. So we have ripe banana here, flour, all-purpose flour, baking soda, vinegar, cinnamon, and I also have nutmeg and what else? Yeah, and I have some mixed fruits that I'm going to put in my banana bread. Alright, so let's get started with the banana bread, and then we move to the fish and the other things that we'll be preparing today. So I'm just taking off the skin of the banana. Right. Usually I use the well ripe, almost overripe bananas, but I couldn't get any today. So I just had to work with what I got. Nevertheless, I'm gonna make a lovely banana bread today. And I make my banana bread different, very different. Some people work off. First we have to crush out the bananas. I use a different method. I just kind of do it more freehand. A dash of this and a dash of that, and it always comes out lovely. So I don't say like a 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, but if you want me to do it like that for you, or if you call, or if you request what how to get it perfect, I can tell you. So we crush out the banana, and then we add a dash of sugar. Not too much sugar. This is about half cup of sugar I added to 5 ripe bananas. Like for me, who's trying to cut down on my sugar intake, hubby who is diabetic, this is just perfect for us. You can add up to a cup of sugar to 1.5 cup of flour. we're going to be using 2 medium eggs. One. Combine that. So we're doing dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, or wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. We're gonna add our vanilla. One teaspoon. Then we combine. Now we're gonna add some oil. Gonna add about 1/4 cup of oil. You can use butter if you prefer, but for right now on the river we're using oil and the sea. Combine, and then to this we're gonna add a cup of flour, a dash of salt, and about 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then we're going to combine. Okay. Make sure we get out the lumps from the flour. And guess what, guys? I didn't remember to bring the grater, so we're just gonna have to be creative with the knife and try to get some of the, very important, the cinnamon. So I just added the nutmeg, had to be creative and just use the knife. So I'm gonna add this mixed fruits. So we have raisins, spices, and nuts. Powdered our baking tin ahead of time. Now we're gonna pour our banana. This is a bonita fish, as you can see, weighing 4 pounds. So we're gonna season it. This is a Jamaican seasoning that I actually blended and put together. Alright, so this fish is very common in Westmoreland, bonita fish. I only ate it once. This is my second time. This is the second time I'll be eating it. But it's because of the hurricane, it seems like people aren't really going to fish so often, so we couldn't get any fish to purchase today. But this is a nice size fish and we'll be roasting it over the fire. I'm gonna add some jerk into it. I'll be adding some jerk seasoning. I'm just going to And don't worry guys, I wash my hands thoroughly before preparing this fish. Now hubby is going to stick a stick through it and just roast it over the fire. Wash this color nicely. So our vegetable and seasonings are ready. So this area was ravished by the recent Hurricane Beryl. As you can see, they have cleaned up the beach and they piled up these branches and sticks and stuff. Seems like they're going to burn it. So they have done a good job with cleaning up the beach. The beach looks absolutely clean. The water looks absolutely amazing. I want to test the banana bread. If you notice guys, I didn't put any milk in there, Sometimes I use like the white lasco, just mix it out in some water and add it. Sometimes I add coconut milk, grate the coconut and use the milk, extract the milk. And sometimes I don't use any at all. So today I didn't use any, and we're going to see how it turned out. Alright, let's take a look. Uh-oh. So we have a burn spot. It seems like the coal burned down into the aluminum cover. Oh my. We have some problems here. Alright, this part needs a little more fire and then we take it off. Please don't laugh, guys. Please don't laugh, but my banana bread burned up. Oh my god, look there. The fire was too high, guys. And I went into the water. And when I came out, it was burned. Oh my. The waste of perfectly good banana dough. Banana bread dough. Guys, please don't laugh. It happens to the best of us. Alright, but I'm gonna cut into the banana bun-up bread. Oh my goodness. Had it not been burned, this is the beautiful color it would have had. Look at the bottom of the baking tin, guys. So you know it's a tin well prepared. Oh my god. Banana bread. Big feel. One up banana bread. Oh my. Total waste of my ripe banana. And it still can eat, you know, guys. Well, this part can eat. There's me eating. Oh my goodness. I'm so upset, guys. I'm so upset, guys. It was the perfect texture, the perfect mixture. But this piece tastes nice now, like at least me save a little piece. No sir. Look on the banana bread bottom. Oh my goodness. I can just imagine the comment section right now. Don't laugh after me now, guys, because I know it happened to somebody some way, somehow. Don't have to be banana bread, but cooking sometimes. You know, we have them little mishaps here. So our fish is ready and we're going to add cabbage to our pot and just stir it up. banana man. Using the lime for the alkalinity. As I said, this is a bonita fish. So good, guys, so good. The Maggi soup and the vegetable is so good. You guys need to try it. I'm hungry, guys. I'm so hungry. The cooking takes longer than expected. And you can see that the fish is well cooked. I can also taste the scallion seasoning. Want some gravy, guys, but we're hungry. So guys, it's getting late and I need to go home because my daughter will be home from school soon. But I hope you like my little cooking today, my little adventure out cooking at the beach side in here in Treasure Beach. Man, stop sharing my fish. But that's it for now. Catch you in my next vlog. Brought home some of the fish and vegetable for my daughter, and boy did she love it.